Vande Mataram. For 150 years, Vande Mataram has carried Bharat's heartbeat, inspiring millions to win their freedom. Today, it calls my generation to give the word freedom a greater meaning. Hello, my name is Maxima Punya and I am 12 years old. And when India completes its 100 years of independence in 2047, I will be 33. My generation will no longer be called the future. We will take the responsibility for our nation. Now, Viksit Bharat is not someone's random project. It is our generation's promise. In the India of 2047, freedom must mean that every child can learn, every girl can dream and lead without fear. Every family can live with dignity, and no child's future is decided by its poverty, gender, or birthplace. India has reached the moon. Now, every Indian child must be able to reach their own dream. My generation will grow up with artificial intelligence in their classrooms and technology in their hands. A Viksit Bharat must also be a sustainable Bharat. So, let India lead with progress guided by purpose, technology guided by integrity, and power guided by compassion. Our constitution begins with we, the people of India, not they, we. The responsibility of India's future is not someone else. It is mine, it is yours, it is ours. Leadership begins not with age or position. It begins with responsibility. And we can start today by choosing kindness over hatred, using technology responsibly, protecting the nature, respecting every faith and culture, and serving others. To me, patriotism is not only about raising the Tiranga high, it is about raising the dream of every Indian. So today, let us not ask that what has this India given me? Let us ask what can I give to India? And the answer is my courage, my compassion, my ideas and my actions. So, let Vande Mataram not live only on our lips. Let it live in our lives. As service in our hands, honesty in our actions, courage in our character, and India in our hearts. The India of 2047 is not waiting for us somewhere in the future. It is being built by the choices we make today. So, let us be the generation that turns freedom into responsibility, dreams into action, and our shared vision into a Viksit Bharat. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.